Local government authorities in Clarendon hope the ongoing audit into the operations of cemeteries across the parish will help fix some of the long-standing problems. Among the concerns, graves being flooded. And as you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, the matter is also of concern to health authorities.
The flood waters covering parts of Clarendon's plains last weekend had receded for the most part by Monday. But in the Cornpeace and Denby cemeteries, some graves were still flooded when we visited on Thursday. We counted several graves that had cracks filled with water. Investigations are ongoing into whether the recent flood rains damaged the structures. Now, if that's the case, it only will strengthen the view among local authorities that substandard graves are being built during burials.
If you come to purchase a plot, then we have a standard and a guideline that we set, that we give you. So it means, therefore, that you would have to abide by that. You see? Now, what we have seen and we have found out is that a lot of these people, when they are out there, they use less material. So that's what we are assessing, our assessment has done. They use less material, and so later on, you find the graves started to deteriorate.
Now here comes the other side of the problem when graves are flooded.
During flooding, the waters can move a lot of the soil, and so we need to ensure that the construction is sound so that we can protect the public from the implications of our water system being contaminated by these graves.
But the municipal leadership says the groundwork has started to nab the delinquents.
Presently, we are doing an audit on all of these cemeteries that we have, and we have 6 in the parish, and we're doing an audit on them so we can take action after we have gotten the audit report.
And on the matter of cemeteries, the mayor says the issues highlighted by the recent rains point to a long-term problem in Clarendon, which is the need for a new cemetery.
We are running out of space at the Denby Cemetery, and we are currently actively engaged in identifying another area. NEPA has been working with us recently to identify another suitable area for a cemetery for the parish, and it's not too far from Denby. And so we are in the process. We have to go through this environmental process.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.